U.S. history kids, this is it. This is the end of the trimester. And I want you to know I'm really proud of you guys. You've battled through it. A lot of you have just been grinding and battling through some of this unknown territory that we're experiencing. So good for you. This has been a difficult time, but proud to be your teacher. So let's finish strong here. Those of you that need help, ask me, and I will definitely help you. We've only got two things left to do. First, you've got the Friday, May 29 due now assignment. And second, there's a civil rights assessment to take. There are 11 questions, most multiple choice, two matching segments, and a few short answer questions, but there's 11. It's 35 points. It's not going to take you very long. I wish we had time in class, and I wish we were together, particularly during this time of civil unrest. What happened to George Floyd a couple of days ago was incredibly sad and really a disgrace to those who stood around and allowed it to happen. So the racial unrest that we're seeing is challenging to everybody and is frustrating. And this unit would have been a perfect time to talk about challenges that still exist in our society regarding race. We could have had a great discussion about the criminal justice system, for example, and we could have had an honest discussion about where we're at in 2020. So that's maybe what we've lost out on more than anything is that conversation. And I think learning is in the conversation. If anybody wants to talk, or if anybody wants to, if you need help with anything, please ask. That is my job, and I would love to help you. So good luck here finishing up. And again, if I can be of any assistance, just ask. Have a good day.